Hi friends! So we are getting crafty today in the studio. Check out this beautiful pillow. We are making it from scratch, including not sewing and decorating it. And the key ingredient we are using is eclectic FABRI-FUSE. All right, come follow along. We're about to get crafty. Step 1, mix 1 part unicorn spit and 2 parts water. Mix well. Lightly brush the spit on the fabric with a foam brush. Let it dry. Next, cut a ribbon to the size of your fabric. Use fabric stencils and unicorn spit to stencil a design. Add ribbon accents using E6000 FABRI-FUSE. Use the E6000 FABRI-FUSE to secure ribbon to the fabric. Take the back piece of fabric and place it facing down directly on top. Use FABRI-FUSE around the edges of the pillow to secure. Fill the pillowcase with stuffing and secure the opening using FABRI-FUSE. Get creative with other designs. You can do so much using unicorn spit and E6000 FABRI-FUSE. How awesome is this pillow? And it's up to you to get creative. There are tons of different colors of unicorn spit, and eclectic FABRI-FUSE makes it so easy to not have to sew a stitch. All right guys, if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications to never miss another CraftBox Girls video. If you've got a question, post it in the comments, and if you love it, share it with your friends. All right guys, that's all I've got for you. Bye.